Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use shaders with Forge mod. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, assuming that you already have Forge, okay? Now if you don't know how to download and install it, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. Now, since you have Forge right here, so you can just go ahead and open up your browser, and we are going to need two things. So first one is the bridge or the connector between the mod loader, which is Forge, okay, and the shader. So what is that? Right in the center. So we're going to use Optifine right here. Optifine right here loads up your shaders, okay? So we're going to download the correct version of our launcher right here. I have 1.21.11, so I'm going to use that as well. 1.21.11. If yours is different, you can just go ahead over to show all versions and just download, okay? Or mirror. It's up to you. Download right here. Save it on your desktop so you can easily find it. Here we have it. Now all we need to do is just download our shader. So you can just go ahead and find shaders for a Minecraft. Just like so, you can go ahead and choose Modrinth or CurseForge right here or whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and use Modrinth. As you can see here, we have a ton of shaders in this section. So BSL is popular. I've been using this one. So let's just go ahead and download some different shader right here. Maybe I would like to download complementary shaders. So I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to hit on download right here at the top. Select the game version, of course, 1.21.11. And the platform would be what? Optifine. Okay. Click on it and then hit on download. Now save it on your desktop, save, wait for it to fully download, and here we have the RAR file. Okay, so once that's done, close the browser. We have everything that we need. Open up the launcher, go to installations. Now go ahead and find Forge, open up the folder. Now go to mods first, double click on mods, drag Optifine right here in the mods folder. If you don't have the mods folder, you can go ahead and create one. Okay, now scroll down, by the way, go back, go to shader packs, and move the shader right here. That's basically it. Again, Optifine for mods and the shader to shader packs. Once that's done, just hit on play right here under Forge, play, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, it's loading or reading our memory. So just wait for it. And once that's done, you could go ahead over to your options, video settings right here. Now go ahead over to shaders. And here we have the downloaded shader. You can just go ahead and click on it to enable it. Okay. Wait for it to reload your game. It may look like it's freezing, but just wait for it. And then you could go ahead over to shader options right here. Change the setting. For example, we have the profile. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and use Ultra. Visual style, reimagined, unbound, and some other options. Okay, we have here lighting, materials. I'm just going to hit on done and test it out just for you to see. Open up a world, whatever world. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you should be good to go. And that is how you use shaders with Minecraft mods. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.